Hey guys, welcome back. This is Anya for the Outlander electric vehicle battery upgrade. In my previous video, there are so many guys interested in this upgrade. But some guys asked a question, that is, the cell between the EVE 58 amp hour didn't compress. That is not good. So in this situation, we made a new upgrade. Yes, that is to use the EVA Foam. Yes, this EVA Foam is fire retardant and it should put between the battery cells. Follow my video to see the details, and if you are interested in this upgrade. We took the 8 pieces of EVE 58 amp hour brand new grade A, and secondly, we needed to take the blocks. Yes, the blocks to put into your blanket to make it fitable. Because the original of the EV40, yes, is this size, but the EV is smaller. In this situation, we need the block to fit the EV58, and then to use the EVA foam put between the cells. And then next step, let's to follow my camera to see the details how to make it. Let's go. Here is original of the outlined blanket. And then we will use our 3D blocks. This one is put on the bottom. And this one, it has the step and we'll put on the top. 8 pieces of EV58 amp hour, which is with the M8 customized standard. The EVA foam, which is redundant material. Okay, let's start. Next step is to put the battery cell inside the blanket. Okay, then the 8 pieces of battery cell already put into the blanket. The next step is to put the block on the top of battery cell. So from here, you will see there have a gap between the cell. So the next step, we need to use the EVA foam to fulfill the gap and to make them compress. If just block with the cell, there will have a very big gap between the cell. So here we need something to put between the battery cell to make them compress. Look, now it's more better compared to previous design. The final step is to put the 3D print block on the top of the battery cell. Okay, now it's finished. We will use the ruler to measure the distance between the M8 standard of original one. It shows 130 millimeter, and let's to see the EV is all the same, and each one of the battery cell is in the same distance. So, how do you think of this design? Is that suitable for your needs? Please leave us your message. And thank you for you guys watching. See you in this video. Bye bye.